Thanks, Ankita. Hi, everyone. Hi,
Hello.
Komal.
Hi, Pallavi. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So,
So, hi, guys. This is my first live video, and I'm really excited as well as nervous. And today's topic is about skin and hair. And I believe everyone wishes to have a healthy and glowing skin. But I can just suggest you very simple few home remedies and makeup product to get that skin. But when I got associated with Komal, I believe that plays a very important role in a healthy and glowing skin. So meet her. She is a Bombay-based nutritionist and a diet consultant. And I just got to know about her from a relative of mine. And since I was suffering from a lot of skin issues and health problems and stuff, so I consulted her, and you can say within just a span of 2 to 2.5 months, she made me lose like 5 to 6 kgs, which is like huge for a body type of mine. So Komal, what are we gonna talk about today? First,
today, first of all, we are hi to everyone. Okay, so the basic problem that everyone deals with, especially girls, the glowing skin.
yes,
Like
we would
every
love
second day,
to
I get
know.
this. Yeah,
Yeah, yes,
every second day I get to hear like what to eat regarding glowing food, glowing skin, what foods are there, what to do, what to apply, and all everything. So basically, it's the beauty that comes from within. Okay, you
correct.
go to salon, you do a lot of healthy skincare routines, but that is good. At the same time, you need to nourish yourself from within. Okay, so
Absolutely.
there are few tips, there are few superfoods you can say that you can actually have to make your skin glowy. First of all, nuts and seeds, which is highly packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, okay, which is really very essential for your healthy skin. So I recommend nuts and seeds every time. When you are hungry, just munch it. Just munch it. It's
Okay,
like
so
a
do you
munching
think we
thing.
can we can take it like any time of the day? Is there any specific time you want you will suggest the viewers?
No, no. Even if you are hungry, you can have it. You are out, you just keep yourself these nuts and seeds. There are mixed nuts and seeds available. You can keep these with yourself, and you can have 1 spoon or 2 spoon. Especially breakfast is really good, and then you can have it evening slot. And if you are going out and hungry, then you can have then also. So it's really good because it is full of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E also. And as Pallavi, you know how essential is vitamin E for your skin.
Correct, I know. So Manisha is asking that how much nuts and seeds is too much.
Actually, it's depend body to body type. Okay. But still 1 to 2 spoon is good enough with everyone. You can sprinkle it over your fruits or like soups. Does a miracle.
Okay, okay. And any other
And
food
yeah, there are three
apart?
superfoods. One is nuts and seeds. Other is beetroot. Beetroot is like a god to your skin. Okay, like
Mhm.
it really does wonders to the skin because it provides various vitamins and minerals, which is really very essential for your skin. Like your skin complexion, your acne, your pimple all vanishes away by using beetroot. You can have this beetroot in any form, like salad, juices, soup. You can make a paste and add it in your chapati and make parathas out of it.
Okay.
Um, there are a lot of other ways. So beetroot is really good for skin. Third comes avocados. This is like extremely good for the skin, okay, because it provides moisture to your skin. It has a lot of moisture in it. It provides a natural moisture to the skin, which makes your skin looks healthy.
Okay.
So these three
And
foods I would highly recommend to any girl for the glowing skin.
Manisha is asking, can you please specify some particular nuts and seeds that provides that glow to the skin which you're looking for?
I would recommend watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds, and yes, sesame seeds also provides a good nourishment to your body, face. skin
Okay,
actually.
and do we need to roast this or we can just have it raw, like just in our soup or fruits or
The
whatever it
best
is?
form to have this is like soak overnight, and then have it. You can see at my page also, Stridology by Coco. I have written over there. Like I have one post regarding nuts and seeds. So basically, just soak the 5 seeds and few nuts overnight, and then have it 1 or 2 tablespoons in morning. So you will really find a good results within few weeks.
Okay. Also, guys, she has provided me with a very healthy lifestyle. Like, it's not a typical boring diet, and her recipes are too good, which will actually make you like crave those foods, like healthy foods. It's like we are like, oh my god, it tastes so like this and that. But with her recipes, I know I'm a big time foodie, but she is really
Yeah.
healthy. Like, it was very difficult for me to sacrifice like some kinds of food, like very, very difficult. Okay. So, how much water do you recommend for us to drink? Like hot water, warm, or like normal water? What do you suggest?
I would suggest like both is good, okay, and like approximately 7 to 8 glasses of water is necessary.
Okay.
Um, but then again, it depends ki how you are taking. Sometimes you need to detox your body. Then you need to have detox drink. So basically, have liquid foods, and you are having the juicy fruits, which is doing the work of water itself. So
Okay.
additionally, if you're taking 7 to 8 glass of water, it is good enough. And then you can have a lot of fruits, which is like watermelon, muskmelon. Muskmelon does wonders to the skin. Okay, like
Okay.
again, it is full of watery food, so it will help you a lot because it provides the nourishment to the skin which we are looking exactly for. It provides like our water requirement is also fulfilled by it up to few extent. So you can have such foods. Kiwi, all these fruits are really good.
And
Like
the
water
best
related fruits,
time
they are
to
really good.
okay. And what is the best time to consume these fruits? Like in the whole day? Like you prefer it in the morning time or like later afternoon or what?
I would not recommend the fruits after 4. Okay, there are many who recommends, but I strictly say no to fruits after 4. The best fruit timing is morning sessions.
Morning sessions. Okay. And the juices also we need to take in the like morning hours only if we are taking
Yes,
morning.
yes, yes. Yeah. You can have
So in
soups and salads evening may, but juices and fruits, all these are recommended morning
morning.
as a
Okay.
morning diet. Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing that people want to know is hair loss. The most important concern of today's world. ऐसे बाल झड़ देते I just can't even express. Everyone is really worried
हाँ हाँ
about the
हाँ.
hair fall factor. So what do you suggest कि क्या foods ऐसा intake we should do so that we can just avoid a little bit of hair fall?
हाँ, I know, यार. I mean, this is the most common problem, okay, which every people is facing. But you know why this does this happen? Who can answer me? Like, किसको पता है कि why does it happens? Like, why? This is because of our low protein level. Okay, it happens because of that. This is
Okay.
because of the low protein level that you have. There is a ferritin protein, okay, which is found in our blood. Ferritin is found in our blood, and if you are low in that, your iron deficiency will automatically go low. You'll have an iron deficiency. Okay, so you should not have that. If you are good with your iron content, iron stores in your body is good, then you will really have a good hair quality. So basically, to have a good hair, to have a less hair fall, you can say you should have a good iron stores in your body. Iron is almost stored in our body. If you have it in some or the other form daily, it gets stored in our body. So basically, if iron is stored, that protein, ferritin protein, is also gets stored in our body. So that helps, or that treats your hair, or that saves your hair from hair loss. Okay, so I would recommend iron like foods that are good content in iron, that have a good iron content. Foods like peas, okay, dried apricots, beans, lentils are really super source of iron, and then tofu, raisins, like raisins mixed with kesar or saffron. You can have it daily morning milk for the good hair quality, and with passing days or with like within few weeks you will find results of this. And then cherries and berries are in season, so have that for a good hair quality. I would recommend that. Dark leafy vegetables that we get really in winters. Bitter gourd, that is also really good for, I know many people hates that, but that is really awesome for your skin, hair.
Hair. Okay. Okay. Another thing I would ask, can you suggest some food that keep our like skin so healthy? It prevents wrinkles and stuff like with the aging thing and all. Do you recommend any food for that?
So today you are going to take everything out of me, huh?
Definitely. My viewers want to know
Like
all of this, of course.
hair losses, skin, wrinkles, everything coming together, huh?
Most common problems, yes, the most common problems.
Yeah. Actually, creases never gives happiness to everyone, be it clothes or be it your face. So, wrinkle is the worst part, I would say. For any female, for any lady, it doesn't look like no one is happy with
I know.
wrinkles. Actually,
Correct,
no
correct.
one wants wrinkle. Okay. So basically, what is the reason of having wrinkles? You can understand very well. Like you can provide me some of the other reasons कि कैसे होते हैं wrinkles, क्यों होते हैं in this today's sun exposure, pollution, and
Hmm.
smoking. Like many girls are into smoking. Okay.
Smoking
So
causes
because of
wrinkles?
that, yeah, it does causes. It causes lot. Yeah.
Okay.
And then nutritional deficiency also causes new wrinkles. So basically, you want me to give the food ideas regarding wrinkles, or what do you want me to do? Uh,
Food ideas, definitely. And what kind of lifestyle should we adapt also, like to prevent this? Maybe
okay.
anything specific about
See,
it?
as there are few foods which is essentially required for our body also. Okay, like banana, it's really good for our body. At the same time, it is really good for our face also. If you make a banana paste, suppose take two bananas, make a paste, put a little bit of honey in it, and put a rose water in it, and then apply it over your face. Keep it for half an hour, and then wash it with the lukewarm water. You will find a very good results, and you'll find no wrinkles on your face. Actually, no
Okay.
wrinkles. It will be
I
a
never
wrinkle free. This
thought
is
of it.
this is one of the tip. Secondly, olive oil is very good for your skin. Olive oil, almond oil. Like you can take few drops at your fingertips and massage it. So you can explain people better how to give a massage and all, like how to use oils on face. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it up for
Okay.
better results.
So Manish is asking what kind of banana?
Any banana,
Any banana.
small or big, yeah, any banana. Just take one
I
according to your face and make a paste out of it. Yeah, don't store it. Storing won't help
okay.
it you
And
because
do
you
we need
loses
to
all the minerals out.
and Ankita is asking whether this banana paste will help at once or it does need to be like applied on a regular basis or something.
Like it can be applied alternatively. You should apply
Alternative.
this alternatively, yes. Only then you can find the results. It will help you in wrinkles, it will help you in dark circles. All these will vanish like anything. You'll love your skin actually.
Okay, and can we eat this raw as well?
Yes, you can definitely. But yes,
What is the benefit
you
if we
can't
eat
eat
it like raw?
big bananas. You should always prefer that small bananas, that elaichi bananas that we get. It is full of potassium. As people have a myth कि banana में बहुत calcium होता है. Hi Pallavi, are you there?
Yes, yes, I'm there now. I'm
Hi.
listening.
I find,
Fine.
yeah,
Yes, yes, I'm listening. You're audible.
yeah, yeah. Then there are a lot of potassium and there are a lot of health benefits. But yes, obviously there is a time of banana. There is a time duration, what time you should have. If you're maintaining that, you will definitely find a good results.
Okay. And can we also use tomato and honey for this purpose?
For wrinkles? No, no,
Yes.
not for wrinkles. For wrinkles, you can use lemon juice. Again,
Mm-hmm.
lemon is a citric food, so
Correct.
it has vitamin C, so it does a miracle to your wrinkles.
Okay. So Aditya, we cannot use tomato and honey together for it. You can mix it with lemon if you want.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
And then you can use aloe vera. Just take aloe vera paste, remove the skin, take aloe vera paste and dab it over your face. Okay,
Yes.
like the way you have taught us now how to dab and like press some of the other massages points you have taught us. So just exactly that same way you can take aloe vera paste and apply it over your face for 15 minutes and then you can wash it off with lukewarm water.
So you recommend those raw aloe vera leaves only, those gels, or जो market में भी like that's available, that will also do. Which
Yeah,
one
yeah.
do you prefer?
I prefer that natural aloe vera, which we find at our homes. People have it. People do have their
Yes, we do have
places,
plants
and
of aloe vera. Correct, correct.
yeah, and you can also get over markets very easily. Just peel that green portion and take out that jelly
Yes,
mask and make a
yes.
paste. Just blend it once, make a paste, and apply it. And yes, you can drink also. Like it helps. It helps a lot in your acidity, constipation. It will help you. If you're not having constipation, automatically your skin is going to be
So,
a good one. Yeah.
yes. And is Patanjali aloe vera gel okay?
No, actually not.
No?
Like I would say
Why?
no, nah. Oh, again that same old story.
Typical
Ki,
Patanjali Ramdev Baba. You don't suggest that aloe vera
no,
gel?
no, it's not that, but it is not natural. Okay. Like
Okay.
obviously there are some or the other preservative added तभी वो इतने time तक चलता है आपका. Otherwise it
Hmm.
would obviously expire within few weeks. So I would highly not recommend this at all. अगर आपको apply करना है तो just apply this original one because it is easily available. तो इसमें कोई hard and fast भी नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं है.
Okay, so two people want to know about some snacking items. One is evening snacks and another is midnight snacking. What do you prefer in both the times?
I told you, nuts and seeds, best thing.
Snack. और what if उसके बाद भी पेट नहीं
Almonds
भरे तो?
खाओ. You can have almonds, you can have any kind of seeds, you can have turmeric latte or turmeric water, and then there are a lot of other things. Tal makhana you can have, a lot of other
Okay,
things.
okay. Alright. And natural aloe vera, guys, as mentioned, leafy ones are better than all the market products. You can get those raw leaf and just scrape out the gel and you can just apply it. Also, do you prefer in taking aloe vera?
Yes, I told you now, you can have aloe vera juices also. Like, just make that paste and you can freeze it for a week and then take a hot water. Just add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice and few drops of lemon. Add mint leaves to it, and then you can drink. Kabhi bhi. Best
Okay.
is afternoon after lunch.
So Mr. Venu is asking, what about peanuts?
Yeah, peanut is very healthy. It's a natural fat actually. So you can have this
Exactly.
roasted peanuts or peanut ka laddu you can have, til ka laddu you can have. You can have such things, not an issue.
So, but don't you think that will make us put on weight? All these
No, it's a
laddus and all.
natural fat. No, 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 not at all. This is a
No.
natural fat that you are consuming. You are not consuming artificial or synthetic sugar. You are not consuming oil in it, right? So oil that we get, those are refined oils, which is absolutely not.
Okay. And Pooja is asking, hold on. Pooja is asking what exactly one means by portion control.
Pooja has a lot of questions, huh? Like she wants to know everything in a live session. So just like my page and you'll get my number over there. So I'll share many details with you.
In person, of course.
Yeah, some things are to be shared personal, na?
Hmm.
So next question.
So, guys, you want to ask anything else regarding any kind of food or sorry, I just got a call. I have to disconnect. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, you can just put in your questions here and we're there to answer it.
Yes, Venu asked regarding peanuts. So you can make peanuts chutney also and keep it in your freeze. Like you can freeze it for 3 to 5 days. It
Peanuts
is
chutney.
like, yes, it's very like you can use it as a seasoning over your salads and as a dip. It's very good. And as it is good for skin
It's
also, so
absolutely
it's good
new
for
to
this also.
me. Okay.
So you
And
can make that.
okay. Manisha is asking vitamin C source other than lemon in our body,
Oranges.
but we don't get good oranges right now.
Yeah, you are not getting. You can have Mosami. It's in right now. Yes.
Okay.
Aloe vera is also one of the citric food. Not exactly, but yes, it does have some vitamin C in it.
Okay. Huh. So
So
how is it
basically,
going?
I want to
Bombay,
know whether everyone liked my stuff. Like, are
anything
they happy
citron?
with the answers or something else?
Is juice healthy?
Uh, yes, it is. Depend what are the ingredients you are using, and depends what is your content exactly.
Okay. And is consuming apple cider vinegar good for skin and gut?
Uh, I would not recommend for skin actually, but it depends from body to body type again. Okay, like
Okay. It's okay. And what do you suggest? You should consume raw fruits or better to consume the fruits in the form of a juice?
see, raw fruits does their own job and juices does their own job. There are some of the other diseases where you have to skip juices completely and you have to focus on raw foods. Okay, and raw fruits actually does the miracle part.
Raw fruit. So you would suggest for
Yes.
raw fruit.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, is brown sugar better or the normal?
Sugar is sugar, be it anything. Like
So, like,
nothing is better. Nothing is better. Sugar
I
is
am a sugar
absolutely a
person,
sugar.
okay?
Be it anything. आपके पेट में शुगर जा रहा है. आप कब्ज में खा रहे हो, आलू में खा रहे हो, क्योंकि कोई आलू छोड़ता नहीं है, मुझे पता है.
Correct.
Potato
Aloo nahi
you are
You
having
made
sugar
me
in many
left aloo
forms.
for like 3 months. I craved and starved for aloo, man. I just cannot forget the time like when I was on your
Yeah.
plan.
And this synthetic sugar is sugar, absolutely a sugar. Like you have to skip this.
Mm-hmm.
And Pallavi, you have seen like you have removed sugar from your diet completely. You got good results.
Still, I had no issues. Like, you people say that if you're not taking
Someone
sugar,
is saying sugar के बिना जीवन अधूरा है. Pallavi, you can explain them better. कि sugar is like sugar के बिना अधूरा नहीं
Pratika,
है.
I had the habit of like taking raw sugar, just like 1 teaspoon and another teaspoon. मतलब मेरा ऐसा हाल था. But I had to leave that. It's like a poison to our body. You should not. What about jaggery instead of sugar?
Yeah, you can use in small portions, but again, you that is also a refined and synthetic one. But moderation is allowed because jaggery is still better than the sugar. I have one post shared in my Stridology, so check there.
Okay. And is there any type of cheese which can be consumed every day to cheese lovers?
Cheese. Yes, this is really a good topic. Like fats is allowed, You can consume cheese depending what you are having throughout the day. There is like moderation of foods or combination of foods which you need to do with the cheese, and then you can absolutely consume. ऐसा नहीं कि आप सारा दिन मैगी में चीज खा रहे हो, मैगी खा रहे हो, ये खा रहे हो, full of cheese, 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 and then you are asking me कि आप cheese किस में खाओगे?
Okay.
Right. So there should be a proper combination of everything. Only then I can allow you to have cheese.
Okay, okay. And what is your
Because
take on
fat is required.
brown rice?
Hello?
Hello? Can you listen?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is your take on brown rice?
Just a second. Hello?
Yeah. What is
Brown
your take
rice.
on brown? Yeah.
Again, you eat rice, anything, rice is really good for your health. Brown rice is no doubt good. Brown rice, red rice, they are really good for your health. But then again, there are a lot of rice, brown rice in the market where they are just putting color, brown color. Okay. And you get nothing out of it. So be wise enough to choose rice. You can have rice without guilt. You should have rice. It's easy to digest.
How many times should we consume rice, like in a week? What do you suggest?
It's not about how many times, it's about the combination again. Because rice is also carbs, okay? So it should be combined well to be consumed. If you are combining it well with something or the other, so क्या है rice का जो वो minerals रहता है, जो भी myth है कि carbs ज़्यादा है हम मोटे हो जाएंगे, तो that gets reduced and other things does the miracle. So the combination should always be good.
Okay. So Radhika is asking whether we should cut dairy from our diet for good skin. Is that so? Dairy products for good skin.
Actually, see, this is also a very debatable topic. A lot of people are vegan, okay? So even I am vegan. So
Sure.
I don't prefer dairy products very much, but still, it's not required much. I would suggest it's not required much. Yeah.
Okay. And food habits to correct hair falling. Ayush, we've already discussed that. You need to watch the video again when it's safe.
Ha.
Women having PCOD. Okay, so this is, I think, another huge topic. PCOD and hair falling.
Oh, PCOD is completely a different topic. Like PCOD is completely a different topic. We are not going to discuss this today. Or we can have one more live session on it. Like we should have one more live session on it.
Sure. And dairy products to be, can PCOD women consume dairy products?
PCODs we will discuss later.
Again,
like it is completely a different, it's completely a different topic, because even if I comment something, people will not understand because I need to relate everything to them.
Correct. And do you suggest consuming roti and rice together, like on an everyday basis, basically? A big
No, not at all.
Either
no, a big
chapati
no.
or either chapati or
any one kind of carb can be consumed at a time. Repetition of food is not allowed. So guys, let us know how do you like our session. Like, what is your view?
Follow her page. I have tagged her everywhere in my post, and it's by the name Stridology by Komal. So, and she's too good. Like, I have really worked with her, so I know the benefits that I got. I guess we've answered all the questions more or less.
Yeah, even I hope so. I was checking messages only.
Missed anything?
Someone is asking, what if we eat banana with honey? Honey is again sugar. Brown sugar, white sugar, honey, sugar, sugar. And for a time tak, you will see sugar layer has been formed.
Could you please repeat yourself? I think the video.
Hello. Yeah, Pallavi.
Komal, could you please repeat yourself on the topic of honey and banana?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we were
So
talking
I was
about honey
saying,
and banana.
yeah, it's a very bad combination again because banana में इतना शुगर होता है, आप उसमें हनी डाल के क्या करोगे? Honey is again artificial sweetener only, okay? It is artificial sugar. So basically, you're going to keep sugar, keep honey for longer time. Then you will see sugar layer has
Komal,
been
we can't
formed.
hear you. Can't,
I'm audible.
I think your network is a little weak.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sugar. Honey is again a form of sugar. So basically, if you keep honey for few months at your own place, you can see a layer of sugar has been formed over there. Okay. So basically, it is again an
Don't think
artificial sugar.
Do you want me? I'll just reconnect with you once. I'll just disconnect and connect again. I'll just connect again, guys. Just gonna add it again. Hi. Komal, can you hear me? Yeah. So what were you saying?
I was saying regarding banana and sugar. Banana has a natural sugar, so why to destroy it with the honey, which is an artificial sugar again? Okay, so no, a big no to banana and honey.
Hey, Komal. So let's see where we are.
Pallavi, can you hear me? I guess there is a network issue.
Yeah. Okay. We'll come back again on another topic, I guess, soon.
Yeah, we'll come up again. No worries.
It was really nice talking to you, Komal, and I
See,
hope guys you like her
yeah,
session.
same here.
Yeah. Okay, Komal. So,
Guys, do let us know how was our session and how did you like. Just
yes,
comment us and whatever is your question, just drop me. I'll definitely answer. And let us know what is the next topic that you want us to discuss.
yes, yes. Please do message either me or you can just message her, and we'll surely come up with another night session for you guys. Thank you,
Yeah.
everyone. Bye, Komal.
Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, bye.